Y'all be wildin', he ain't bout it. Doing all that talking, but you strap ain't talk nobody. You ain't scared of nobody. I'm a boss, don't do no follow when you say.
What's going on, man? As y'all see, man, I'm back with another vid. So as y'all can tell from the title, I have not put in my exhaust on this car. You feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? Little car porn, no exhaust. So, hold on. So man, with today, I could have sworn I fixed this already, but with today, man, I'm actually finna slide out to the guy I bought the exhaust from about an hour and 37 minutes, and he gonna put it on for me for the cheap. So we're gonna go ahead and load this thing up, and we finna head out. You hear me? Yeah. We got everything packed up. Now we off. I'm gonna be blowed if he ain't here. He might be here. The gate closed though, so I'm probably gonna have to call him. I don't know why that thing not really getting my light. Okay, I can fuck with that. Oh, hey man, pretty good. Yes, sir. Just pulling up. That's what he built right here. What size you said this was?
355.
355. Yes, sir. Don't play. Ooh, yeah, that's nasty there. That is nasty. So y'all gonna have to get at them. I'm gonna leave everything in the links in the comments. Yeah, I'm gonna pin it, you know, put it in the description. That's what I mean to say, but yeah. Oh yeah, we finna put it on the lift now.
I got it.
She sounds nasty.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 350.
Yeah.
Y'all going crazy with these 350s.
Vortex headed 350.
Yeah, that's nasty. That thing blacked out. About to get up on this lift, get this damn exhaust done, finally. Gonna have to do it before and after, so to start up. So that's the start up, you feel me? Alright, we'll have to do a rev. Damn. I'm gonna do the rev in the shop. Oh. Feel me? I hope so. Yes, sir. Well, I bought this like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I was so mad, man. I was like, I can't put this on.
I can't believe all the other shops was gonna charge you so much to do it.
Man, that's what they do. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just call you, see. I was like, what? Okay, I'm on the way.
Yeah.
Got to. Fine.
Still need to do something about that door.
Oh yeah, I will. You know I'm gonna buy the door from you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I ain't get the washer, so. But this is the only bad part. Oh, I can't spin it. That's.
Maybe the slip.
Yeah. That's the only bad part.
You know, for about $900, we might fix that.
Yeah.
Oh, the well to them.
Actually put a limited slip differential in. Put a posi.
Posi lock in it.
I was just gonna get the SS one though.
If you can get one.
Oh, that's gonna be hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be real hard.
Alright, fair. Take a look at your car.
Right here. That's the only part. See, I got these right here, so y'all wouldn't even have to weld the ones like the tips to hang up. I got these and I got the clamps on there already. So the only problem is gonna be these sides right here to hold it from the back. But other than that, you know, should be easy.
There's some pipe there. Yeah.
You said what?
Everything doing good on it. Got a little bit of something right here. Power steering looks like.
Power steering, yeah. I still got to find the leak. I think it's.
Right here, I believe. That line.
Yep.
Where you possibly be.
I'm glad you showed me. Again. I sure do.
Yeah, you need to get some. Probably need to. Well, you got a pressure sensor in yours, don't you? A temperature sensor
Yeah.
for it. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I may have to come back just a little bit and just kind of cut this in a little bit. And just, if you got enough room, slide it. And then you get your and then tighten your clamps a little more. It might stop.
What's
Okay.
the deal with the spring spacers over here?
Oh, you ready to hear it?
Yeah.
So without the, I think the mount on the top up here, you know they got the little rubber mounts.
Yeah.
I think it's compressed too much, so this side sits lower. So I actually needed the spacer so it can be an even.
Get rid of those spacers in there. Get rid of these damn things and get you your the top mount, because this is destroying your suspension travel actually.
What?
It's not letting the spring.
String, right. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. I'm just ready to hear what it's gonna sound like.
It's gonna sound good.
I hope so, man. I'm gonna take your word for it.
Yeah, next. There's like a tag on it.
That Maniflow muffler on this car is not good.
I want to fix that. Well, that little hole that I made to clear out the catalytic, you know.
Yeah.
And then
That's nasty.
the he's back in there. You need to go higher with that. Is that gonna be good? Because I'm saying we got to drop that down because it's pushing up on the.
I just want to get a side to side.
Probably got to shift it over to the right just a tab. Bad part.
Good part is it's mostly welded.
Mm-hmm.
Bad part is I just ran out of argon.
Oh shit!
Golly. That's the gas, right?
Yeah.
Damn, his shoulder is. He been moving. Yeah, that light really helped with the camera. I should have bought me one. Damn, that shit look good too. That looks good too. Man.
The only one I know of is Anthony's.
Man, this night, bro, we had hella complications. You feel me? I don't even know if y'all can see me. Nah, I'm gonna wait till I get to the light and I'm gonna explain everything, you feel me? Okay, now we up here by some lights. So basically what was going on, man, firstly they had ran out of wire. Boom, waited like 2 hours for that. Then they had ran out of the gas, which is cool, you feel me? Cause I ain't had nothing to do anyways. But yeah, we got it right now. You know, took all day because they ran out of that stuff, but I fuck with them. I ain't had nothing to do, so it was all good. You feel me? But she done. She looks sexy. You feel me? So I'm gonna put all the information in my description. You know what I'm saying? If y'all in my area, Georgia area, where I stay is about an hour and 37 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all don't mind driving it, come out here, get y'all car done. They do everything. Motor, sporting. You feel me? They got me right. They were super high in my city, so I had to drive a whole hour just to let my man do it for the low. Price is right too. It's not high, you know what I'm saying? They do a good job and everything, so I'm gonna drop everything in the description. Oh, I had to get back. I'm tripping. You feel me? Oh yeah, I'm messing with it. Big startup, the big startup, big startup.
Yep. We just been doing well on the heat. That's the red fucking flash on the car.
Here we go, guys. The big startup, man. The big startup. Sign more polished.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like, man. I'm glad it's quiet. You just don't know.
Still sounds aggressive when you rev it.
I ain't even revving yet. I was going to let the motor warm up a little bit.
You like it?
I still need the resonator. I still got that rasp.
Yeah, it's gonna have a raspy sound in a 6-7.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. It is quiet. That's my name for something. I'm happy as fuck. I appreciate that, man.
Yeah, you're welcome, man.
Man. Sound like my motor trying to tap, but I hope not.
Got a little bit of noise to it.
Well, that's her. She's complete. Until next time.
Be careful, man.
All right. Deuces.
Starving, violent for the come on. Crank it up, it's like boom. It's my new Zeus.